In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage grid lines in your software using the View tab on the ribbon. This tool is incredibly useful for enhancing the organization and alignment of your work, providing a visual aid that helps you make sure everything lines up just right. Let's dive right in and explore how you can show or hide these grid lines effortlessly. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the View tab on the ribbon. This is where you'll find a variety of options that control the appearance of your workspace. The View tab is like the command center for visual modifications, and understanding it can significantly streamline your workflow. Once you're in the View tab, shift your focus to the Show group. This subsection of the tab holds key options that can transform the way you view and organize your documents or projects. Specifically, within this section, you'll be on the lookout for a checkbox related to grid lines. It's often labeled simply as Gridlines or something similar, depending on your software version. With the checkbox in sight, let's talk about what checking or unchecking it means. If you want to show grid lines across your workspace, go ahead and tick that checkbox. By enabling this feature, you're introducing a set of faint but effective lines that can guide your placements and ensure that everything is aligned perfectly. Imagine laying a ruler or a set of graph paper over your work. It's somewhat similar, offering structure and alignment assistance without being obtrusive. Conversely, if you find that the grid lines are cluttering your view or if they're simply not needed, you can easily hide them by unchecking that same box. Doing so will remove these lines from your view, providing a cleaner, more open space for you to work in. It's as simple as that. In just a few clicks, you can toggle the visibility of these helpful guides. One thing to keep in mind as you do all this is to ensure you're toggling the correct type of grid lines. Sometimes, what you see on your screen might also include table boundaries or drawing guides, which can appear quite similar to layout grid lines. If the lines you're trying to hide or show don't seem to be affected by the gridline checkbox, double-check that you're focusing on the right type. This awareness can prevent any confusion and ensure that you're getting exactly the view you need. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily control the appearance of grid lines in your workspace, allowing for more precise and aesthetically pleasing results. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.